Are you looking for the top 5 CHEFMAN Multifunctional digital air fryers? Tired of greasy meals that leave you feeling heavy and guilty? Here are the 5 best CHEFMAN Multifunctional digital air fryers I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1, CHEFMAN 6QT Compact Air Fryer. First up is the CHEFMAN 6QT Compact Air Fryer, priced at just $59.92. What caught my eye was its high fry technology that promises extra crispy results. If you want quick and easy meals without the grease, this is worth a serious look. This air fryer uses 450-degree Fahrenheit high fry technology to give your food that perfect crunch, especially for chicken tenders and fries. You can easily customize the cooking time and temperature with its user-friendly touchscreen, or opt for one of the 4 presets for a no-fuss approach. Plus, it's compact, so it won't take up much space on your countertop. With over 10,000 sold in the past month, it's clear this air fryer is a favorite for families looking to cook healthier meals. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 6-quart capacity is perfect for serving 3 to 5 people, making it great for family dinners or meal prepping. You'll be able to whip up delicious, low-fat meals with little to no oil, which is fantastic if you're looking to eat healthier but still want flavorful food. Now, some people complained about the noise level while it's in operation. Here's the thing though, while it does make noise, it's not loud enough to be bothersome, especially considering how quickly it cooks your food. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward air fryer that delivers on crispy results without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you need something with more advanced functions, but for the price, it's a solid option. Now, if the compact size of the CHEFMAN 6QT bothered you, the next one takes a completely different approach with its larger capacity.
Product number 2, CHEFMAN Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer Plus. Next up, we have the CHEFMAN Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer Plus Rotisserie, priced at $79.93. It's hard not to notice its versatility with 17 cooking presets. If you want an all-in-one appliance that does it all, this is certainly worth considering. This air fryer allows you to air fry, bake, dehydrate, and even rotisserie your food. It's got a whopping 10-liter capacity, perfect for family-sized meals or batch cooking. The rapid air heating technology means you don't have to preheat it like traditional ovens, saving you time and energy. Plus, using 98% less oil than conventional fryers, it's a healthier option too. The large Easy View window and interior light let you monitor your cooking progress without opening the door and losing heat. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 3 airflow racks and drip tray included mean you can cook multiple items at once or prepare large quantities for meal prep. Now, some people mentioned that the controls could be a bit complicated at first, but here's the thing. Once you get the hang of it, you'll appreciate how many cooking options you have at your fingertips. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a versatile appliance that can do more than just fry. Skip this if you're short on counter space or prefer a simpler design, but for the features you get, it's a great value. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better if you need more capacity.
Product number 3, Gourmet French Door Air Fryer. The third product is the Gourmet French Door Air Fryer, priced at $99.99. I was impressed by its spacious 25-quart capacity and dual doors. If you often cook for a crowd, this one could be a game changer for you. With its French door design, it fits a 12-inch pizza or a whole chicken with ease, making it perfect for family meals or entertaining guests. It features 17 preset options, allowing you to air fry, bake, broil, and even toast with precision. The Fry Force convection technology ensures even cooking and crispy results every time, which is what you want when making those comfort foods. This matters for you because it allows you to cook multiple dishes simultaneously without compromising on quality. Plus, the easy-to-use digital display means you won't be fumbling around with complicated knobs or settings. Now, some buyers reported that the size can be a bit bulky for smaller kitchens. But here's the thing, if you often find yourself cooking for multiple people, the extra space is worth it. This is perfect for you if you love to entertain or have a big family. Skip this if space is a premium in your kitchen, but for the functionality you get, it's a great investment. Next up is another CHEFMAN option that might cater to those who want a balance between size and features.
Product number 4, CHEFMAN Turbo Fry 8-quart Air Fryer. The fourth option is the CHEFMAN Turbo Fry 8-quart Air Fryer, priced at $79.99. I liked its sleek stainless steel finish and 4-in-1 functionality. If you're looking for something that's both stylish and practical, you'll want to hear about this. This air fryer allows you to air fry, bake, and even defrost frozen foods with its new frozen function. It heats up to an impressive 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and with the high fry option, you can achieve that golden crispiness on your fries and chicken. The 8-quart capacity is excellent for families, letting you cook larger portions without having to do multiple batches. Plus, the LED shake reminder helps you get that perfect crisp without having to set an additional timer. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The non-stick basket is dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze after a long day of cooking. And with over 4,000 sold recently, it shows how much people love this fryer. Some users mentioned it can take a bit longer to cook certain foods compared to traditional frying, but honestly, that's a small trade-off when you consider the health benefits and ease of use. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish appliance that doesn't skimp on functionality. Skip it if you need something that cooks ultra fast, but for the price and features, it's a solid pick. Finally, let's check out a product that combines a bit of everything you might need in an air fryer.
Product number 5, CHEFMAN 12-quart 6-in-1 Air Fryer Oven. Last but not least is the CHEFMAN 12-quart 6-in-1 Air Fryer Oven, priced at $109.99. Its multifunctionality and large capacity caught my attention right away. If you want an all-in-one solution for your kitchen, this is definitely a contender. This appliance allows you to air fry, bake, dehydrate, rotisserie, and much more, making it a versatile addition to your cooking arsenal. With a temperature range of 95 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and 12 presets, anyone can make delicious meals in minutes. The rotisserie feature is particularly impressive, offering crispy skin with much less fat than traditional cooking methods. Here's why this matters for you. The 12-quart capacity means you can easily prepare meals for gatherings or meal prep for the week. The interior lights and large window let you monitor your food without opening the door, ensuring even cooking. Now, some users have pointed out that the unit can get a bit hot on the outside during cooking, but here's the thing. As long as you handle it carefully, the cooking results are worth the caution. This is perfect for you if you want an all-in-one appliance that can handle everything from rotisserie chicken to baked goods. Skip this if you're looking for something compact, but with all its features, it offers great value for a family-sized appliance. To wrap things up, we've seen a range of CHEFMAN air fryers, from the compact 6QT to the multifunctional 12-quart option, Champion. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the CHEFMAN Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer Plus because of its versatility and family-sized capacity. On the flip side, I'd avoid the Gourmet French door air fryer due to its bulkiness if you have limited kitchen space. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.